Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add the payment icons on your Shopify product page? That's very easy. The first thing you're going to do is access online store, then teams, then click on edit team. But first, make sure you duplicate the team. Always duplicate the team before you do any changes and apply this on the duplicated team. If it works, publish. If not, you're good to go. Click on edit team for the duplicated team, of course. Then after that, click on homepage at the top of the page. Then select product and select default product. Now on the left of the screen right here, click on product information to be expanded like this. Then select where you want to add the payment icons, usually below the buy button, right? So hover over the buy button below it, then click on the plus button, then search for custom. Here it is, custom liquid. Click on it and it will open up this bar right here where you can paste in some code, where you're going to get the code from my website. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link. Click on it and it will take you to this website right here. But hold on, there is two types of codes. The first one, the second one. The difference between them is basically, you can read, will detect and display the enabled methods, payment methods on your Shopify store. So this code right here will automatically detect what payment enabled on your store and it will display the icons for it. The second one is manual. So this one have the icons as you can see. So you can adjust the icons. How to adjust them? Easy. Open shopify.dev, this one right here. Some people recommend using ChatGPT or you cannot get it right. This one is very good actually. So click on Ask Assistant and click on Your Chat and simply paste in the code here and ask him, hey, enable this icon and remove this icon and so on. So this one will get it right. But for me, I think I will add the manual one. I already have what it needs. So click on the copy button right here, get back to the custom liquid code and paste in the code in here. And good to go. Here it is, as you can see. So simply click on save button, then preview, and you should see the payments icon on the product page. And ta-da! If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.